Hi! In this video, we will be going over how to install and configure the Daz to Cinema 4D bridge for Daz Studio. To get started, you will first need to go to the Daz Store website and add the Daz to Cinema 4D bridge to your account if you haven't already done so. Don't worry, the bridge is free and you can purchase it without entering any payment information. Just add the bridge to your cart like any other asset. Your cart total should be $0. Then click to proceed to purchase. The order summary should be $0. Click Place Order to finish adding the bridge to your account. You're ready to install the bridge via Daz Install Manager. Once the Daz to Cinema 4D bridge is added to your account, open the Daz Install Manager. In the search bar, type Daz2 and hit Enter. You should see the list of Daz bridges that are ready to download or update. Find Daz to Cinema 4D in the Ready to Download tab and click the Download button. If you don't see it listed in the Ready to Download tab, then check your Ready to Install or Install tabs. You may already have the latest version downloaded or installed. Once installed and updated, you'll see a Launch button. Click it to start Daz Studio. Once Daz Studio starts, go to the File menu and select Send To. You should now see an option for the Daz to Cinema 4D. Click it. You'll see the updated Cinema 4D bridge window. For most systems, Daz Install Manager will automatically install the Cinema 4D Bridge plugin into your Documents folder at Documents/Cinema4D/plugins. However, if you need to manually install the plugin, then you can follow these next steps. In the Advanced Settings section, you'll see Cinema 4D Plugin Installer. Click Install Plugin. A dialog pops up to let you select a destination folder. Navigate to where you want the Cinema 4D Bridge plugin to be installed and click Select Folder. If the installation was successful, you should see a message telling you where Daz Studio has installed the Cinema 4D plugin. If this is not Documents/Cinema4D/plugins, then remember the custom plugin location for the next step. Now let's open up Cinema 4D. When Cinema 4D is open, click Edit and the main menu and then Preferences. In the Preferences window, select Plugins on the left-hand side and then click Add Folder. Navigate to the Documents/Cinema4D/plugins folder. Click Select Folder. Make sure there's a check mark in the box next to the folder path. Close the Preferences window and then exit and restart Cinema 4D. Once Cinema 4D has restarted, you should now see a Daz3D option on the main menu. And if you click the Daz to C4D, you should see the Daz to C4D window. And that's it! You've successfully installed and configured the Daz to Cinema 4D bridge. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy designing!